Hi, this is Gary with MacMost Now. On today's episode, let's look at using mailboxes in Mail with Lion. So there's some pretty major changes in Mail and Lion, so I thought it'd be a good idea to take a look at Mail, mainly at the mailboxes, because they behave in a slightly different way, and there's some tips I'd like to share with you. So when you first run Mail in Lion, one of the things you may notice is that you can't see your mailboxes. They're usually here on the left, but instead you've got messages on the left and your message window on the right here. So it's a very different layout, and you may think, well, I just can't have access to my mailboxes anymore. That's not true. You've got a button right here, Show, and you get the column here. It looks just like it did in Snow Leopard with all of your different mailboxes. In addition, you can also go in View and choose Show or Hide Mailbox List there. So you still have everything there, and you can still drag items from here into various mailboxes if you wish, and you can still click on different mailboxes to view the list of messages here, and then select the message and you view it in the third pane over here. So one of the things it seems to make difficult is being able to archive email. So say I've read this email here and I want to put it in my saved folder, which I have here. So if I have this hidden, you can see that's kind of difficult. I don't know what to do with it. I can go to Message and Move To and use that, but that's kind of cumbersome. So having this shown is one way to do it. You can drag this message into Saved. But if you like this new layout and you don't want to have your mailboxes visible, there's another way to do it. So you have this bar here at the top, and it kind of is like the bookmarks bar in Safari. So you can take a mailbox here and drag it to this bar and place it there. Now you can get rid of your mailboxes here, and you can actually drag and drop messages in there. So if I wanted to put this into Saved, I can just do that. I can also click on it and view that mailbox, or click on it and go back to Inbox like that. Now you can move these around and rearrange them by simply clicking and dragging them. You can remove one by dragging it away, and it will get rid of it. So there's a lot you can do. And this is actually called your Favorites bar. And you can go to View and Hide or Show Favorites bar right here. Now, I'm showing you how to move an email from your inbox to somewhere else, like Saved. And there's another way to do this for a lot of users out there. If you use a system like, say, Gmail, where the thing to do is to archive your email, not actually move it to a specific inbox, Mail now actually has an archive function. If you go to Message, Archive with the message selected, it'll perform the same function, say, in Gmail as hitting the archive button in the web interface. iOS has already been doing this for a while. If you notice, you try to delete a message, it actually doesn't say delete, it says archive for Gmail messages. So this works with various systems that support archiving. Now, it's a message archive command here, but you have some shortcuts to get to it. One of them is to customize the toolbar. I'm going to right click or control click here, customize the toolbar, and I can add an archive button. You can find it right here to the toolbar, and click the archive button with a message or many messages selected, and it will archive them. Of course, I could also go into System Preferences, Keyboard Shortcuts, and create a keyboard shortcut for the archive menu item. And one last thing I want to show you, we see how you can create items in your favorites bar, but this actually also creates a keyboard shortcut. If you go to Mailbox and down here go to Favorite Mailbox, you can see Command 1, Command 2, and Command 3 go to the first 3 items here in there, and you can see Saved is one I just created, so it automatically gave me a keyboard shortcut for that. And you actually also have the Control command Move to Favorite Mailbox already set there. So there's some tips for using Mail specific to mailboxes. There's a lot more than that to learn about Mail now, and there's even more to learn about using mailboxes, but I hope this smooths your road a little bit in going from Snow Leopard Mail to Lion Mail. Till next time, this is Gary with MacMost Now. Want more video tutorials? Just go to MacMost.com, click on the videos link at the top of the page, and then you can view all of the hundreds of MacMost videos by category.